this example, we're going to do something similar. And again, that's another example to make sure that you guys understand how for loops work. So we're going to actually count from 0 up to 100, but only the even numbers. So to do that, the changes that I'm going to do here is first I will, instead of, so I will still be 0 because we want to start counting from 0 up to 100 or up to 99. Then instead of 10, I will say actually 100 because again I want to go from 0 up to 100. Then I should add well, we've got two options here. First way to do it, actually, let's add 2 to the loop. So I equals I plus 1 or I plus 2 really. Then I just print my I. So the only thing I changed here is instead of I being increased by 1, I should increase I by 2. That means I in my first iteration would be 0. Then in my second iteration, that would be increased by 2, so it's going to be 2. Then my third iteration is going to be 4, 6, 8, and so on. And this way I'm actually counting from 0 up to 100, only the even numbers. So if I go ahead and run this, there you go. I got all the even numbers in order from 0 up to 100. What if I want to get the odd numbers? Again, very simple. I just start counting from 1 because 1 is my first my first odd number. Then I also increase it by 2. I don't need to change anything else because I is going to be initially 1. Then in the second iteration, that would be increased by 2 because I said here that, okay, increase I by 2 after each iteration. So after the first iteration, I is going to be 3, then it's going to be increased by 2, so that's 5, then 7, 9, and so on. So if I go ahead and run this, I'll hit save first, then run. I should get the odd numbers from 0 or from 1 up to 100. And again, the last one is 99. So yeah, that's another way how to use for loops.